Dustin. Dustin.
Yeah.
Bro, where have you been? I haven't seen you for...
Yeah, it's been a while. Let me explain.
Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. Not dead yet, true shit. So why do I worry about what I can't see? I was stressing about money for my rent, but the money that I spent last night with my friends was worth it. Sometimes
It's interesting. I started this trip as it was a backpacking trip, meant to be a world trip. I didn't get very far. I got 3 more countries added to my passport. Not a very impressive world trip, to say the least. You're literally in the clouds. Oh my goodness.
Sometimes I make this life thing harder than it needs to be. So many lights with us tonight, night. Don't let them go to waste.
Welcome
Look into
to
my
Johannesburg.
eyes, it's gonna be right. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. One moment, one shot. That's all we got.
Welcome to Tofo, Mozambique. Also, what I like to call paradise.
One moment, one shot. I don't belong
Zimbabwe.
to somewhere else than where I lay my bags. It's so hard to stay up
And Quinnen's alive.
and don't hide away
fucking did
behind
it.
the same
Look at this
old
bitch.
mask.
But that's kind of the beautiful thing, is that I didn't plan anything, and when there was no plan, anything can happen. And I never imagined that I would be doing videography professionally in Cape Town when I quit my mining job, like 6 months ago. An opportunity arose for me to come back to Cape Town while I was in Zimbabwe. And the opportunity was to do a collaboration project with a wedding photographer, a local designer, and a couple of models. I was in contact with one of the models, and he invited me to collaborate. Models, designer of the dress, photographer, hair and makeup, and some random ass Canadian. So, I came back to Cape Town, did the one video, and everyone loved it, and everyone shared it. Over the last 2 months, I haven't been uploading because I've been doing all these side projects, all these collaborations, videos. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be releasing full versions of these videos. And that's it. Sucks to be leaving Cape Town, but I'm excited for the next chapter, what's going to be happening next.